Onishwa angisiye umuntu lokholelwa ukuthi when we speak about public issues that nema public interest kufanele ukuthi ngifake baby gloves noma ngifake gloves ukuthi sitawuncengana sincengane kanti sikhuluma in a public office. Ngathi mina ukuthi i-issue ingafaka interest yabantu sikhuluma ngemali lapha hayi yasesifofaneni hayi yasemhlambanyathi imali yesive saseSwatini sikhuluma ngale mpilo yale sive but ngiyabona lokuthi ungathi lapha konakele banunyathelekile so let's go for kids clubs tawucansuka bani ngithini speak ngithi mina ngiva ngathi le statement lesi ngawulandela umhlonishwa wasemanzini ebabe Makford sibanzi ngiva ngathi le statement lesi asi kule motion le yaphasiswa yindlu futhi ngiva ngathi we need to restore the dignity of this house. Mangibuka la lokwentiwa litiko lithi litiko kule sive saseSwatini I guess nakuma authorities elive I guess naku international community lithi alidingi iparlamente in operating this country ngoba noma iparlamente ingathini bayathi laba executive ukuthi bafuna kubokwenda lokhu labafuna kwenda. I don't want to go back and debate ukuthi leti isidingo kangakanani babe mathebula umhlonishwa amathebula uchaza ufake one question lethi yini lele khona leti moti leti ku 1 to 7 lengekho kulo 7 to 15. I do have the answer and it's the answer that makes me upset. Lokhu khona ngilokuthi lo 62% walabantu labethe imali kuyathiwa lokuthi angeke athi afford leti moti leti na 7 years ngoba tidulile. And so ke uma bangathi afford kani imoti siyathi bayidinga batawuphoceleleka kuya kuma auctions kulalamanye amave kubona eNingizimu Afrika bothenga leti crepa leti punyako babuye bahlupheke. Kusho le notation siyathi ukuthi bobani lesithi bangathenga imoti akuvalwe import kuvalwa import la affordwa ngilabaphuyile kuvulwa import la affordwa ngilabanemali then we call it a country singafuna silale sithi aw let's use kit gloves. Why should we do that when we're in public office not in a company? Why should we do that? Because imports avuliwe but kuvulwe la 1 to 7 why affordwa ngilabanemali kuvalwe 7 to 15 batiwa labo kusibahlupheka. Anybody who argues about that utsinza i-executive noma hulumende kabi. Ngifumana nemhlonishwa amanzini lokuthi kungaba kuhle lokuthi lendlu ikwende kube sebaleni ukuthi sisiphaza senda naku lokushiwo i-executive mayifuna as a represent bantu. If you could take this issue, the issue of public interest, if you will take this issue, you go to the public. Sing 59, sibek ban basketball. Ufike ubabute ukuthi inbeka phi ngempilo lenta 7 to 15 anonymously because this is how people live in the country. Bonke batawuthi kufanele kuvuka kwethu. Angifuni kubele emuva ngithi emahawkers asebenza dona enda inna sikwati kahle bantu babeleka kahle nyalo ngoba bathwalwa ngaleti moto. Singayi lapho bahlonishwa as debate but ngithi asivumelane lokuthi public interest is leti moto ativulwe but some people who are in control but ukusiloku ngiphisa sakho kunye ngileti moto between 7 to 15 leletinya timngiphisi sakho. Honorable Speaker, bengifisa ukuthi siye ku Government Assurance Committee lesinayo la endlini. I made numerous attempts ku chairperson ukuthi ngiyacela ngoba sekuhambe 48 hours. I feel bad I have to say it lokuthi ngiyavumelana nemhlonishwa wakamanzini makasileli bandla angiliboni lesisida ngemagama la ngitshele wona chairperson which will be said kuwa atharisha kulendlu le athi angeke angiathendele le issue le what issue izathu wathi because of ABC lelo mhlaba mawungeva ukuthi uthiteleni I think wayena will be embarrassed to say that but simele bandlu la sithe ukhuluma buhlungu bebantu ngiyacela kulendlu lehloniphekile ngicela ukuthi kube nesifundo lesifundiswa uhulumende losuka etule mbabane executive uma ngabe le parliament isenemandla isa oversight noma nikudefine ngemthetho ngiyakubonza kuze kusuite labo noma niyakudefine niyakusuta kwendeni ngiyakujabula kwenu but nathi ukuthi there are some MPs who are against ukuthi kunyathelwe abantu sibuka singeke sayine sakwendewe inani ndatendela but at least you must know we are against that and the world must know ukuthi la eSwatini noma iparliament engathini minister will do as it please. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.